Hey guys, what is up? I just wanted to start off this video. As you can see, my room is really messy right now. Video you already saw, it's called the room makeover. I've done so many room makeovers in my lifetime, but this one is actually like in the midst of moving, so I'm actually like setting my room up again from scratch and also cleaning all of it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and like how my room turns out. I hope I like how my room turns out too, because I have no idea where I'm going with this. It's probably gonna take a little while to do. But thank you guys so much for following along, and yeah, let's get started with my room.
This is so sad.
The plan is, okay, so I forgot that there's like seasons here. So I have to put all of my summer stuff in the closet and like get rid of other stuff. So I'm gonna get rid of a bunch of clothes right now, sort through my closet so that I can put stuff away, so that I can put other stuff away. That was confusing, but that's the plan basically. Yay, time-lapse time. I actually love time lapses because they make me look super productive and they show me working at literally the speed of light, because trust me, this process took like a whole day. I actually have a whole video on me cleaning out my closet and giving away a ton of the clothes, so be sure to go and check that out. Okay, so far this is what we're working with. I cleaned up a lot of stuff on the floor, started hanging some stuff, and then this so far is everything that I'm going to be giving away to you guys. I thought I was done. I'm not close to done. Guys, literally 10 hours later, I have pretty much finished my closet. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Alright guys, so I want to give you a quick overview of what my room looks like currently. Could be better, could be worse. I have everything in here. I just need to like move stuff around basically. So I'm going to show you exactly what I am envisioning
Right at this very moment.
I am thinking. I'm going to put this giant mirror in the corner right there. I'm going to move my bed that way, put it right here, and then I'll move this thing somewhere over here, that somewhere over there. I don't really know. I'll figure it out as we go. I'm probably used to this with every room video I do, but you can watch me struggle to move my furniture around. Haven't done this in a while. I'm probably really out of shape. You know, it'll get done at some point. So I also want to show you my inspiration. So I have some photos from Pinterest that I screenshotted. It's really similar to the room I had in Huntington, kind of like indie looking. I really like this one. I want it to be clean though. Put photos up, but probably not too many, or maybe over time. I definitely want to do the purse thing again. I love that. I have a lot of vines here, and then I also brought like my posters home, and I have a lot of photos and memes that I want to slap on the wall. So that's what we're going for as of right now.
LOL.
Midway there. I'm trying to dust. So I called step 4 small additions. I don't even know what that means, but basically I added like some little shelves back on my wall, moved little things here and there. Adding this little ladder shelf is one of my favorite new additions to my room. I got it from IKEA, and I actually got it for my apartment in Huntington, but I moved it home with me because I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I love how it holds all my plants. Then this is another thing I took from my apartment in Huntington that I liked so much that I decided to move it back home. Considering how much I move my room around, I barely know how to use a screwdriver, as you can see in this very long clip. Basically, hanging these purses took like an hour. Okay guys, we have made a lot of progress. Finally made my bed. We have this whole rack pretty much set up. I don't know what I'm gonna put on the bottom one yet, but I have all of this. I really love how these crates look. I actually got those for college, but I decided to put them in because I'm going for a little bit more color in my room, which is a change. I have a lot of plants. I have a clock that very much doesn't work. There's no way in the heck that is 8 in the morning.
I would never.
I have all my bags. It's definitely a little more like cluttery than my other rooms in the past, but I think I like it so far. I have some books and stuff, furniture. I set this stuff up, this little corner that I think looks really cute, and that's what we got so far. I think the next step is this whole wall is really blank. I'm gonna have this mirror over here, but I think I'm gonna put like my records and like some photos and posters up in that corner. Maybe another plant or something like that, just to make it look a little more cozy. And then the other thing I have planned for my room is like behind my mirror, I want to put some little flower paper cutout, but I'm probably just gonna save that for another day because I'm already tired from everything I've done so far. So, ooh, and I also am gonna put these vines up probably around the perimeter of this, my closet. So that's what we got planned ahead of us. Let's keep going. Okay, and now for the final step, which is decoration. It's kind of like the reward after all of those days and hours of cleaning. This is another thing that I kind of brought back with me from Huntington. It's basically all the same stuff, but a little bit rearranged. I get a ton of questions where these posters are from, and I'm sure you can find prints similar online. I see a lot of them at like art shops or random like Hallmark stores and stuff like that, but I got my specific ones at this little boutique shop in San Francisco. If you're a real one and you saw this macrame and my plant in my other room tour from back at my apartment, I actually had a real plant in here, but that one unfortunately did not make it, so now I have a fake plant from IKEA in there, and then I hung a little vine along it to make it look like it's one of those like hanging plants. Now on to putting up a bunch of my photos. This is probably my favorite part because it personalizes everything so much. Hi guys, 2 days later, I am finally pretty much done with my room. So I'm gonna give you a little overview tour. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's kind of like a variation of my room in California. I know I literally have like 200, I don't know, I said 200. I literally have like 4 room tours up because I changed my room a lot, but I don't care. I'm gonna show you guys again. I'm pretty much done. I'm probably gonna add a couple more things, like a couple more throw pillows, some like flower decals that I mentioned earlier, but for the most part, this is done. So I'm just gonna give you a little tour right now. And yeah, so this is just a little overview of everything. As you can see, it's pretty much all the same stuff from my room in California, just moved here and like rearranged. Let's start over here. I have my closet that I lined with these vines. I already had all these string lights up around my room and I just use that pretty much for lighting. Those are just like Christmas lights. And then in here, my closet packed as you guys have seen and know. Over here I have this little like shelving section. I have like a book and then a bunch of fake plants and a cute candle. And I have this mirror that I got from Amazon that I had in my apartment in California. Over here I have all my jewelry that I really need to go through because on the drive back up it literally all got like tangled together, but I will figure that out later. So I have all of that. I have my perfume and then I have all of these that also got like, oh, they all got messy and I have to organize that later. That's for another time. I have all my drawers, which just have like clothes and random stuff, wallets, those things. My mirror that I brought back from California. I have jewelry organizer that I'm probably gonna put more stuff on. And then I have another fake plant. And I have this thing, which I just put masks down here. And I know that this looks so messy. I should probably go through that. But right now that's like belts, masks, accessories, like sunglasses and stuff. And then here, I just have like photos and random things. And then this corner, I moved my mirror over here. This is probably where I'm gonna put some like decals and like put stuff on the wall back here. My clock, which is very incorrect. It's like 4 or something, which is crazy because look how dark it is outside. I have this shelf that I bought back from my apartment, and then I just have pretty much the same stuff. So I have a plant, my little other plant dude. I'm gonna fill this water, and this is gonna be my like watering jar because I broke my spray one. And then I have cameras on this shelf. This is just a bin that I'm probably gonna toss like chargers and camera stuff in. Candle that I don't use because I'm kind of afraid of candles. My Devo stuff, and then down there I just have like my laptop and iPad for now. And then I have different like bags and totes hung here like I did in my apartment. I also have this little crate that I thought was cute because it matches this crate. Right now it just has like a little throw blanket and then it has some little like pieces of clothes that I'm gonna use for stuff or need to remember basically. And on top I have some books that I'm reading and I have my speaker and my tripod. Over here to my bed, I have a bunch of throw pillows. As you guys know, I love my stuffed animals. I have to have them now at this point. Probably gonna get more. So I kind of just made it like a couchy, like cozy, throw them all, throw pillows over there. So I have Mr. Billy, the banana, Mr. Broccoli, which I don't know if I named him yet. And then I have the little sunshine guy. I think they're all so cute and they go together really well. I also have a little Christmas pillow right now over on this wall. This took so long to put together, but honestly, making collages is really fun. It's like making a vision board, but it's my wall. So I transferred these 3 posters that I got in, where did I get these? San Francisco on my trip. So I have these records that I thrifted my YouTube plaque. I have a bunch of Polaroids up everywhere and photos. They're my most recent photos that Mason printed out for me, and I really like them because they remind me that I actually did live in California for 4 months, and I completely, you know, it's not a dream. So I have those up, and then all the other photos are kind of like old stuff. I also have all those postcards that are from like Chicago and San Francisco. So those are also a really nice reminder. And then I also have this plant hangy thingy, which is fake because the real plant that was in there died, unfortunately. I'll take that one. That was completely on me. And then coming over here to have my desk. That's pretty clean right now. There's like nothing there. I moved my vanity mirror on top of this because I'll use this to like work and do makeup stuff or whatever. And then I'm not gonna go through all the drawers because it's pretty much the same stuff. And then I also hung up the hooks from my apartment so that I could hang all my mini purses. And I absolutely love how this looks. I think it's so cute. Hopefully I don't get sick of it because there are now a bunch of holes in the wall because they are like legitimate screws, not just command hooks or push pins like I usually do. And then this is just a storage thing that I got for college, but I'm just keeping it here. It just has like tote bags and random stuff. And then I also have this one, which is, maybe I'll use it as a laundry hamper. I don't know. That one also has tote bags in it right now. So that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed my little room makeover slash tour. Want to see more room stuff? I'm probably gonna do more room stuff in the future because I'm always doing room stuff. Make sure to stick around, follow me on Instagram for more updates, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.